When I heard this, I have one question. Can you think of, give me an example it has affected in somebody's life which you think was a great difference it made for somebody?
Oh, quite a bit actually. See, we work with a number of corporates across the country, and let me give you a couple of examples. One is a very personal example. Okay, in one of the groups that we were doing, there was this person who came and told us that he would not want to participate because he had a bad stammering problem. He had a problem of stammering. He used to stammer a lot, especially when he had to speak in front of people. And there are so many people like that. People who have a stammering problem, people who are not confident to speak, people who are not confident to articulate what is there in their mind, people who have a language issue because they've grown up in a particular language but they now cannot speak English or whatever else they're expected to speak on. And so many of these people. Coming back to the person who used to stammer a lot, our 6-week program that he did with us, where we engage people once a week for 4 hours. By the end of 6 weeks, he got so much of confidence in himself that he could actually stand up and read out from a prepared script. And he made a very genuine attempt to overcome his, psychological problem, which was stammering. I've been tracking that gentleman. It's been 2 years since he's done that program. And today, 2 years later, he can speak near faultlessly. He's managed to overcome his problem. Likewise, there have been so many people who've been scared of communicating, scared of speaking, and they all managed to overcome their fears. I'll give you another very interesting example. We were working with an organization that was in the business of sales. Okay, it was a durable company, a consumer durable company. And for some reason, they were just not able to grow beyond a particular point. Okay? And they were just stuck at a growth of about 10-15% every year. And then when they did the program, when the entire managing committee and the entire group did the program, about 100 of them did the whole program. Today they are now talking in terms of growing at the rate of about 35-40% year on year. It's the same team, it's the same products, okay? It's the same service, it's the same kind of, everything is the same. The only thing that really helped them is that they managed to enhance the belief that they have in themselves. And with that enhanced belief, they managed to go out today and they're able to get the kind of numbers that they thought at a point of time was impossible, that they won't be able to do that. So from a company which can get some fantastic results to an individual, there have been innumerable examples. To date, in the last 7 years, we must have impacted about 25,000 people in the corporate world in terms of our programs. And each one of them is a success story in themselves. One of the nice things that we also do is that we do a tremendous amount of work with NGOs, where we do a fair amount of capacity building work. And for the NGOs that we work with, they are doing some terrific work, whether it's in the business, whether it's in the area of AIDS awareness, or whether it's in the area of people who are blind, or whether it is people who are taking care of cancer patients, or the Rotary TDK Blood Bank, the Karuna Ashraya here in Indiranagar Clubs project. And there have been so many people. We've been working with quite a few NGOs over the years. And there again, we find that they've been able to really do some tremendous improvement in the way they're working. And I guess one of the things that we're very, very excited about in terms of results is the RILA programs that we conduct with Rotary. The I Am a Winner program that we conduct with Rotary, where year on year now we must be impacting almost something like 5,000 to 6,000 children every year or more. Okay? And this year on the 18th of August, we're actually doing a program which will impact 25,000 children on the same day. So these are all programs. I mean, this RILA program, for instance, is designed in such a way that children get the confidence to stand up and articulate what's in their mind, talk about their dreams, and then go and achieve their dreams. So these are all great programs that we're running.
Sir, at Rotary, how is training done, and what is the important things you're doing at Rotary and training? How do you link? Because RILA, I think you've been doing. So can you talk about it?
Rotary actually Rotary is a fantastic organization. I'm a great admirer of Rotary. Across the world,